And thank you. And then can you please just give any last words that you'd like to, any wisdom you'd like to impart or anything?
I think what we're limiting ourselves in thinking about Bitcoin as just money or as just transactional exchanges. It is so much more. If we think about the crypto, we think about the technology, we can integrate that. Instead of PKI, we can have a browser-based certificate that doesn't require certificate revocation lists for the simple fact that every transaction, every time we log on, is new. It can be tokenized. It can be paid for. We can have a system where every time you download a file, every time you access something, it's encrypted and it's owned by you, where you can share it, where you can actually have a record. We have to start thinking not just money, but a full digital rights network, a full transaction network for files that link to redeemable contracts. Then we'll start actually understanding what this is really about.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you just remove your phones and you type on Google, Bitcoin founder, the name that comes out is Satoshi Nakamoto. Right under it are the words, Australian entrepreneur Craig Wright has claimed he is Satoshi Nakamoto, the creator of the virtual currency Bitcoin.